Okay, sunod. We have an example, and it is already a linear equation. At tandaan, kapag sinabing linear equation, dapat may exponent ka lang na 1. Exponent na 1. Pagka meron ka ng exponent na 2, that is already a quadratic. Mayroon ka ng exponent of 3, that is the cube. Cube na siya. So, ganun na. Pag linear, that's why we are creating a line. Ang exponent ay 1. Line. Line ang ginagawa. Straight line mismo. Straight line ang ating ginagawa dito. So, ayan ang maganda. Tandaan. So, in making a line, you need to have the 2 points. The 2 points. The two ordered pair. Because if you have only 1 point, it is just a point. Okay? Nakita nyo? Point only. If you have another point, okay, for this, you can draw a line. Meron ka ng line. Okay. And remember, ang buhay natin ay parang linya. Nung ikaw ay maliit pa, point ka lang. Nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, konti lang kaalaman mo, no? Then, if you are going to add another point, ibig sabihin, lumalaki ka na, lumalaki ka kaalaman. So, you can make a line. And then, if you are, continue improving, growing, another point, you can make another line. And then, if you are going to connect the 3 points, okay, meron ka na nabuong isang bagay, another image. That is, we talk about geometry, 3 sides, it's about triangle. Okay. Then, if you want to add another point, okay. So, yan ay pwedeng maging natin na motivation sa buhay. Examples. Ganun tayo nagsimula. Isang tuldok lang tayo. Di ba? Okay. So, maganda po yung example. Ganun din. So, if you are making a line, you need 2 points. Okay. So, if you want to make or to extend another line, okay, you can have more points. Okay. Mahalaga, meron ka ng line. Now, in this example, we have 2x plus 3x equals 32. This is the equation of a line. Then, ang gagawin lang dito ay isasatisfied natin, no? Isasatisfied natin kung ito ay equal sa 32. Kung siya ay true, no? Kung true iyan, ibig sabihin ay yung point na 10 at 4 ay dadaanan ng line. Okay? So, by substituting the value of x and y, malaman mo kapag equal sa 32 ang kanyang value, dadaanan yung values na yan, x and y, o yung point mismo. Remember that. So, by doing this, nakita natin, no? By simplifying and substituting the value, nakita natin na equal yung 32 sa values na nakita natin. So, ibig sabihin, dadaanan yung point na yan ni line. Yung ating equation na to, ay dadaanan yung 10 at 4. So, although malaman nyo kung paano alamin yung points na to. 2x plus 3x equals 32. So, this is y. I think this is y. No? Y po yan. So, nagkamali lang. Okay. Now, we have an example. Ang tawag doon ay finding the solution. Kapag naging true, dadaanan. Pag hindi equal, not true. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya dadaan ng line. Okay, ito. We have 5 solutions. How to prove that a line is a straight line? Para malaman. Okay. So, malaman nyo, yun, example na to. Okay, we have another example sa table. Malaman natin na yung equation na yon ay dadaanan kapag nag-satisfied yung mga point na to. Pag hindi madadaanan. Okay. Yun po ang pinapaalam sa atin. That's why, kapag may ganun tanong, ipa-plot nyo sa graph, no? May kuha kayo ng graphing paper, okay, mag-drawing lang kayo. Okay, bilang-bilang lang kayo dyan. Kung 1, 2, 3, kung may maliit na numbers, 1, 2, 3 lang. Kung mahaba, di 5, 10, 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ganun. So, isa-satisfied mo yan doon sa equation. Merong given na value na, ipoprove lang natin, no? Ipoprove natin na ito ay dadaanan. So, our x is 1 and then y equals 2. So, kapag pinalitan yung value ni x at ni y plus 2 equals 3. It means that we are going to find the point 1 and 2. So, andito. Okay? 1 and 2. Okay. So, kasi, kung hanapin agad natin yung points na to, malaman natin by substituting the value of y and x by setting the x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag hinanap mo yung value ng x, yung y mo ay 0, maging 0. So, your x is equals to 3. Then, if your y will be setting to 0, I'm sorry, your x will set to 0, so, maging 0 siya, so, wala na 0, y equals 3. Your y equals 3. That's why, your first point is, first point is 3 and 0, and then, other point is 0 and 3. Okay, nakita niya? So, we have 2 means now. If you are going to plot the points, so locate the first point, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, then, graph the points or the equation. So, we have the equation, and then, nalaman natin yung 2 points. And then, the problem is, you are going to satisfy these values kung dadaanan siya. So, by substituting the value of x and y. So, papalitan nyo po. Papalitan, then malaman nyo kung equal sa 3 lahat yan, okay, siya po ay solutions. Ibig sabihin, yung lahat ng plot na yan, lahat ng points, ay dadaanan niya. So, yan ay nagsasabi na lahat ng points na yan ay dadaanan ni line. And that is a straight line. Nagpuprove na straight line. Tingnan natin. So, ito, equal pa rin siya yung 2 and 1. 2 and 1, hanapin mo yung 2. 1, 2. Okay, ito siya. Then, ito naman, 3 and 0. 3 and 0. Ito na yan. Nakuha natin kanina. Okay, 3 and 0. Okay, what about this? 4 and 1. Negative 1. 4. Okay. So, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And negative 1. Okay. And dito siya. Okay, and then the last, we have 5 and negative 2. So, 5. Okay, minus 2, that is 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Andito siya. And negative 2. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, lahat ay dinaanan at yung line na nasatisfy siya. Nasatisfied niya yung line na straight. Okay, that is how to apply the points and satisfying that the line is straight line. Pag hindi dinaanan, ibig sabihin nun ay hindi siya equal sa 3. Okay, yun po ang tatandaan niya. Kung yung tanong sa inyo ay asking about the solution. Okay, magbigay ng mga solution. Kasi depende. Hindi pa to given. No? Assuming na wala yan. Ikaw mag-iisip ng mga solution. So, meron yan. Ha? Kaya mag-isip-isip. Tandaan niyo po. Next. So, we will now start the slope of a line itself. No? Ito na yung simula. Kanina, medyo madali pa lang. Ngayon, medyo na mahirap kunti. No? Kasi, inaaral natin yung slope. Okay, may competition na tayo dito. At then, understanding talaga. So, we can locate the slope by the 2 points. Gamit ang 2 points, kahit hindi tayo mag-compute, malalaman natin yung slope ng line. Slope. But anyway, may equation dyan. No? May equation ang kasama dyan. Paano ba yun? Yung formula na rise and run, okay, meron tayong 2 points which are 3 and negative 4. Negative 4, no? Tama yan. Negative 4. Walang sign. And, we have another point which is negative 3 and 2. So, by using 2 points, kukonek mo yon, then you can locate the slope. So, sabi nga yung slope, yung inclination, no? Inclination, the rise and run. Yung rise, yung pataas, at yung kanyang takbo. Okay? Pataas, takbo. So, yung rise, ito yun. Pataas. Pero ito yung bibilangin mo. Okay? From here, no, from this point, we are going to count the horizontal o the run. From here, start from here. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dahil may 2 points na tayo, yun ang ating alamin na, yung slope na. Pero, mayroong case na walang point, gagawa ka ng point. Tatandaan nyo. Ang gagawin nyo ay from point 1, no? 1 point, kung given yung slope o yung rise and run, katulad dito, may slope tayo, no? Nilagay mo, halimbawa, 4. 4 ang slope. Ang kanyang baba, ang run, 1 yan. Okay, meron namang ganon, baliktad, 1 and 3. Ang rise mo ay 1, ang run mo ay 3. Bibilahin mo. Ito ay para kay X, ito ay para kay Y. Okay, tandaan palagi ha. Yung sa taas ay si Y, si X ay sa baba. So, ngayon, given yung 2 points, bibilangin mo para mahanap yung slope, yung value ng slope. Okay. So, 6 yan. Then, the rise is also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hanggang dito. So, ibig sabihin, from using only the 2 points, you can find the value of, or you can find the value of slope. Okay, just follow the term or the description. The rise is y, 6, run is -6. Bakit -6? Kasi papuntang kaliwa. Bakit positive? Pataas. Kahit andito pa sa negative na y, basta pataas, positive. Pag bababa siya, negative. Kaya may mga sign kanina, no? Natulong natin. Okay. Remember that. Napakalaga yan. Okay. Now, after getting the value, okay, so what's the next? This division. So, divide. Simplify. Now, you will get the -1. Okay, remember that. Napakalagang sign ng isang number. Kapag hindi mo nalagay yan, may mali na tayo. And then, remember, anong sabi doon? Kapag negative ang value ng slope, alam mo na agad papuntang kaliwa. Going to left. Okay? Di ba? Yun ang ina-apply natin. Yung kaninang pinag-aaral natin dun sa ating mga basic pa lang na terms. Kaya, tatandaan ha. Okay, so itong equation na to, ng line, equation ng line to, di ba? Nagawa natin kanina. So, i-apply na lang natin to pag ginamit na yung mga different equation of line. Okay, kung paano naging x plus y equals -1. So, although yung ating slope ay intercept rather. Yung -1 ay intercept ng y. That is the intercept of y. And then, by substituting the value of x by 0 and y to 0, okay, you will get the value of x and y. Okay, so, kung 0 to, di -1. Locate the -1 kung dinaanan siya. Okay, tama. So, yung kainan, di ba? Kaya mong x ay 0 para mahanap si y, and then y yung gawing 0. Okay. If your y equals 0, then you are finding the value of x plus 0. So, the answer is, your x now is, your x is equal to -1. Okay. And if your x is 0, your y equals -1. The same. So, locate. Kung dinaanan yun, yung -1. Yung -1. So, where is the point of origin? Okay, I'm thinking this is the point of origin. Okay, this is the point of origin. So, ayan. -1. Okay, so -1. Okay. So, hindi masyado. 3 and 4, 3. Okay, -4. So, okay, so hindi mo na yung ano. But anyway, that is -1. So, ang point na yan ay -1 yung x and -1 yung y. So, ibig sabihin, dinaanan po. Nadaanan niya yung ano. So, ito is siguro yan. -1, parang negative ano. Ito yan. Okay. So, ayan, ang ibig sabihin na, ha? Ayan. Paano na ginagamit yung equation ng line. So, malaman niyo yan mamaya. Okay. Ito yung karagdagan lang. Ayan, bukod sa definition. Ayan. the other idea. No? Next, okay, so we have, ayan, yung ating, ano kanina, yung nasa graph na, no? At, ayun kung paano, ayun, gamit ang slope, yung kanina ay ano lang yun, no? Anong tawag doon? Gamit lang yung rise and run. Ngayon, gamit yung slope formula. And the slope formula is this. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Or sinabi ko kanina, pwede mong baliktarin na y sub 1 minus y sub 2. Pwedeng ganun baliktad vice versa. X sub 1 minus x sub 2. Vice versa, no? So, hanapin niyo po. Kung ito ay 0.1, 0.2, pwede rin 0.1, 0.2. So, nasa iyo. Basta always follow the formula. There is no problem with that. Okay, now, substituting the value of x and y. So, we have, this is the 0.2. Okay, this is 0.2. Yung ginamit nila, then this is 0.1. Sa ginamit nila, ano po? So, this is 0.2. So, your y2 is negative 2. Okay, so, using the points, negative 4 and minus 2. So, always follow the sign, the formula. Even it is using negative, yung number. So, 3 minus, okay, negative 3. So, ayan, minus y sub 1 yan. Kaya, negative 3, kinulong para hindi magkaroon problema. So, ayan. So, ayun, kahit ginamit yung rise and run, pareho pa din. Dito, ginamit yung formula ng slope, pareho pa din. Negative 6 and 6. Diba? So, pareho ang natin nakuha. So, two ways kung paano maghanap ng slope. Gusto mo i-plot yung point, gusto mo yung formula. Okay. So, alam natin na yung ating formula, paano kumuha ng value ng slope. So, ayun. Tatandaan nyo yung dalawang paraan. So, dito, we have the problem. Read the instruction carefully. Do this in your notebook. Complete the table. Then, letter B, determine the slope of the line given 2 points. The slope. So, you are going to find the slope. The formula of the slope. And then, if you want to use the graph, the rise and run, no? Dito yung formula. Gusto mo yung rise and run. Okay. Rise and run. Okay. Okay, so, locate the points, then use the rise and run, malaman mo yung slope. Then dito, if you want to use the formula, okay, kaya mong sagutin yun. No? So, let us have an example number 1 para naman sa inyo. So, M equals, so, okay lang to. Gamitin ko to. Yung 0.1. 0.1. 0.1. So, first, 4, y sub 1, y sub 2, minus 6. Then, x sub 1, minus 2, then, minus 1. So, simplify. Okay? 4 minus 6, I'm sorry, 4 minus 6, negative 2. Malaki yung 6, kaya negative. Aral natin yan, ng mga sign numbers. Then, negative 2, negative 1, the same sign, so, add. And copy the sign. Copy the sign. Negative 3. Okay? So, okay. Simplify. All are in negative. So, simplify. It becomes, I'm sorry, 2 and becomes positive. So, that is the answer. Lowest term na siya, kaya assist na yan. Final answer na yan. So, tama tayo. 2. Okay. That is the slope. Ito na yung slope mo. Gamit yung formula. But if you want to use the graph, the rise and run, okay, the same pa rin magkuha mo. For letter A, yung ginawa natin kanina, substituting the value, if you are going to use our equation, we have 2x plus y equals 3. So, ang sabi dyan ay, satisfied the equation. Dapat maging equals to 3. So, what are the points na kailangan mo dito? Given yung x, but the value of y ay unknown. So, what are the ordered pairs? No, yung magkapares. Ito, may sagot na siya. So, pag ginamit yung negative 2 and 7, we have 2 times negative 2, 4, then plus 7, we have negative 4 and 7. So, that is negative 4. Substituting the value of x and y. So, plus 7. So, evaluate. So, okay. Substitute, no? Negative 4 plus 7 equals, ayan, 3. Ayan, that is correct. So, dadaanan ng line po yung negative 2 and 7, yung pares. So, next, ano kailangan mo dito para maging negative 3? So, that's why we have 0. So, you need 3. Ayan. Ayan. So, kung si x ay 0, 2 times 0, 0, then plus 3. Okay, so, 3 equals to 3. Okay. So, the pair is 0 and 3. The other pair is 0 and 3. Okay, so yung iba, ayan, sa inyo na po yung iba. Okay, so for number 3, learning task 3, read the instruction carefully. Do this in your notebook. Plot and label the following points. Okay, so just locate the points only and then label by the letter itself, yung katabing letters, no? Lalagay niyo po. So, ganun lang. Napakadali po nung rectangular coordinate system, the same time is slope. Okay. So, ito rin, find 3 solution. Ayun. You are going to find the 3 pairs, tatlong pares para masatisfy na 1. So, what are the value of x and y? Ano yung tatlong pares na kailangan mo para maging negative 1? So, first of all, para maging 1. So, 1, 1. Okay. Because 4 times 1, 4. Then 3 times 1, minus negative 3 times 1, negative 3 equals 1. So, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So, okay. The first pair is 1, 1. Okay. So, 1, 1 po. Okay. So, ibig sabihin niya na yung 1, 1 ay dadaanan yung kanyang point na 1, 1. Yung line na yan, equation of line. Okay. So, ano bang points yan? Paano hanapin yung points? Set to x equals 0 and y equals 0. Ayan. So, gawing y yung 0, 4x, maging 0 to, then, so, it becomes, maging na siya, 4x para sa inyo, no? Para advance ko na sa inyo, minus 3y equals 1. So, sabi doon, gawing 0 yan, yung y gawing 0, so, minus, sige, minus. But anyway, 0 is always positive, no? So, equals 1. So, this time, 4x equals 1. And then x, since merong 4, we're going to cancel done. So, you can use dividing by 4, no? Okay, divide by 4. Divide by 4. Okay. So, cancelled out. Or, pwede mo na agad ibaba yan. Baba. Then, dito agad, kopya 1. And, binaba mo. Okay. So, you have 2 ways how to cancel the value of x. Okay. By dividing dividing the denominator, or we are going to transpose, no? Ilipat mo na agad dun sa kanyang kabilang side. Okay. So, 1/4. It means that yung value ni x ay 1/4. So, how to find the value of x? 1/4. Para mahanapin yun. So, locate. You can set the origin, point of origin. 0, 0. Okay, bilang. So, 1/4. This is positive. Okay, this is positive. 1/4. So, positive naman siya. So, that's why. So, going to write. So, dito. So, 1/4, 1/2. So, ibig sabihin dito. What about the value of 5? So, change to 0. So, this is negative. Negative 3y, no? So, kaya, negative 3y equals 1. So, that is negative. So, y, pwede yung sinabi ko cancel mo, o kaya lipat na agad. So, y, okay, this is negative, y, okay, 1 over negative 3. That's why, ang iyong y ay negative 3 pababa. So, negative 1/3. So, dito yan. So, 0. So, kanina dati ay 1/4 dito. So, dito sila. Negative. Or, if you use the cancellation by dividing the denominator, okay, so 3y, ang common y, negative 3. Okay, negative 3. So, cancel. That's why this simple yan. Okay, negative 1/3. Okay, so what are the other points na gagamitin mo? Okay, so lahat naman ng malaman natin kung paano pa i-solve yung equation Okay. So we have many equation offline. Malaman niyo lahat kung paano hanapin yung mga points. So ginamit na natin ngayon ay yung substituting the value of x and y by 0 o to 0. Okay. Okay, so we have another task. Ayan. So given x plus 2y equals 5, so you are going to find two solution para masabing sa straight and all line. Okay, so then draw the map of your okay, anyway, that's all about. So sketch nyo lang po yung bahay nyo if you want to sketch, and then I can apply the how do you call this, the this graphing, ipa-plot nyo po, malaman nyo, locate yung coordinates, rather the coordinates, yun ang pinakamalaga, coordinates, malaman mo kung saan pupunta o ilang units. So just imagine na lang. Okay, so that's all. That's all about in our topic in the rectangular coordinate system. At the same time, the formula of the slope and the introduction of the different equation of the lines. Okay, so thank you so much. So we have 4 questions here all about your study. So it's about to assess yourself. How do you understand our lesson? And then apply in your everyday activity or in your real life situation, like the question below and the last question about letter B, about how to locate the neighbor through coordinates. Sinamap to po yan. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much. See you again in our next lesson. Okay, God bless.